how to make an image rotate in CapCut PC. So if you want to make an image rotate in CapCut PC, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut. After opening your CapCut, you need to import an image. And after importing an image, you need to drop it right here in this space and click on the image. Once you click on it, here on the right side, you need to make sure that you're on your video section. Now under video here, you need to go with the rotate section. Here on the right side, you will have rotate. Great. Once you have your rotate section, you need to click on the first section of your video and then go and add a keyframe. Once you've added the keyframe, we need to go with the second space. Then I need to go with the second part and then again, just go with rotate, which is right here. Click on it. Or you can also rotate it from here. You can rotate a bit and then your keyframe will be added. Now go with the third section and then again select it and again rotate a bit. And again go with the fourth section and do the same process. Once you've done with all of these, as you can see, that I'm done with my rotating section. Now, if you go back and then play the video, then in this way, you'll be able to make an image rotate in your CapCut PC. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.